Bored at home? Try this simple home decor. It does not require a lot of your efforts. You can make even kids at home to do this. And trust me, it gives a very pleasant and rich look to your room. Alright, so let's see how to do this now. Take a square sheet of paper and make a cone out of it. In case if you don't get or don't have colored sheets, you can use sticky notes. It's available in different colors. So now we have to make a lot of cones like this. Now cut out a circle out of a cardboard. And next step is you're going to stick these cones on the contours of the circle. So next we are going to stick another circle of cones on the inside. Now we should stick this cone exactly between two cones. This makes up the petals of the flower. So we are going to cut out a circle of this glitter foam sheet and stick it in the middle. This makes up the pollen of the flower and we are done. One variation is you can stick another circle of cones and continue it until you reach the center of the flower like this. Another one is you can round the edges of the cones, and one more is you can use different color cones or shades of the same color. So stay safe. I'll get back to you with yet another colorful stuff. Bye bye.